Look at that. All right, taking delivery of a 2019 SS Camaro. Well, I didn't get to video the Jeep, but that's a killer setup. Little road trip action today. We gotta get off this next exit. And we might be able to make it. I'll show y'all this Jeep. Don't you love that Hemi? Somewhere in Mexico, we're not speeding. You guys see that Jeep? I love that Jeep, man. It's pretty epic. Anyway, we still got a mile to go. On a little road trip on a Sunday. Going here to Canton, Georgia. Scope out a car that we found online. See if we like it. Well, I tell you, I turned the camera on because I love this stinking Jeep. That thing right there is a killer setup. Okay, see you. Alright, so I am almost there. It was about 98 miles, I think it was. You think I could have found a car closer to home. Gotta go down here to, hey look, Roswell, Georgia. That's where I showed you guys that one online. I hope I showed you online. Roswell had that 2018 one LE, that gray one. But we really like this Hearst Orange 2019. We're going to find out anyway. But anyway, we could go to Roswell and look at that one. We got a Super Bowl day. It's Sunday. We ain't got time for all that. But anyway, so we'll go down here and see what this car looks like, see if we like it. If we like it, we'll take it home there. Come on. That's the name of it. Bill Holt. They just acquired it. Look at that Jeep over there, Joe. Tennessee Orange Jeep. Oh, they got a Charger. They got nice Jeeps. I wonder why Georgia's got so many stinking Jeeps. Can I climb the bank? Look at that orange Jeep. They got a lot of Jeeps, man. Holy cow, look at all them Rubicons. Wow. Man, we need to buy a Jeep. Alright, you guys looking for a Camaro. I'm looking for a Camaro. They got a lot of inventory. No wonder they need to move some cars. Oh, look at that black one. What is that? Just RTs, nothing special. Could use a new Dodge. I need lots of things, man. I need to win the lottery. If they have that new blue Camaro with the white stripes, I'm going to have a problem deciding which one to... oh, no wonder they got a lot of Jeeps. That's a Jeep dealership. We're looking for a Chevrolet dealership. I wouldn't mind having a Rubicon. A new Dodge Jeep. Oh, look at that cute little building. Welcome to Bill Holt Chevrolet. Can't get in the driveway. They got them stinking trucks out there. Are they closed? What's all the hoods open for? Flood damage? Oh, they got that. They put it up there in the... I see it. I see it. Oh, that thing is sharp, isn't it? Wow. I bet they did that on purpose. I bet they put it up there on purpose. So I walked the lot. I look over at that. There's that gray over there. I'm going to go look at that. That's a 2019. I think it's a Z01. I don't know. We're going to go look at that. Look at them new Z71 trucks. I wonder where we should park at. Probably should park back there. So right there is that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Good Lord, I love it. I love it. I love that color. That's a 6-speed manual car. My son is adamantly against a 6-speed manual. That's the Hot Wheels edition. And there is a silver Z01. Beautiful. Alright guys, we showed you all the other colors they had. I think I like this orange the best. I think it'll be the best one to mod. And it's sharp. It'll look good on the track. It's not a bad looking car. I love it. That ZL1 right there is a beautiful car. But it is in the low. It's retail 68. No, it's locked. And then you got the Hot Wheels edition that they really want me to buy. That thing is gorgeous, man. But the only difference is the interior color and the Hot Wheels decal that you pay an extra $4,000 for. And see, that one's 55. I think they're at 47 on that one. You know. Look at that. All right, taking delivery of a 2019 SS Camaro. I think they rinsed the dirt off of it. Oh yeah, she's a beaut. All right, let's take it home. All right, so we got it on the interstate and alternating our speed because it's a brand new car. I think it now has 57 miles on it. So I got a little bit of break-in period to go to for the first 500. You want to, you know, variable RPMs and don't rev it too high, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so first opinion is I love it. Love it. I don't think it has navigation. The guy said it had navigation, but I don't think it does. I bought it for the platform anyway. I didn't buy it for navigation. Bought it for the 6.2 base level platform to trick it out. 10-speed automatic, and should be able to do the deal there. Come in. All right, let's get back to focus on driving until we get a head cam on. Okay, another first impression. I got this thing in track mode, man, and holy moly. This stock 6.2 liter is a monster. Let me show you. And the sound is incredible. There's cops out here every. I don't know if that audio picks that up. But man, I tell you what, dude, that is wicked. The noise that comes out of this 6.2 liter American muscle is unreal. And this is stock. It's a stock 6.2 naturally aspirated car. And we're going to throw a set of headers on it. American Racing headers. A cam in it. And then put a Whipple supercharger on it. This thing is going to be a doggone beast. Man, I love this car. Here comes a truck you guys might recognize. See right there in the mirror? Check him out. I recognize that truck. That's a good looking truck, isn't it? See ya, Dodge. I mean, that just makes you laugh. That crackle, the sound of that, it just, I can't. I mean, I don't know. This thing is wicked. Anyway, this is a 2019 Camaro SS 2SS car, and I finally got the phone connected and blah blah blah. So now I gotta get the navigation. I got it. It does have nav on it, but just don't have it figured out yet. But I tell you what, man, this thing is going to be a blast to get broken in and then start building it. So hope you guys enjoy it. Hey, here's a Here's a Mustang we can mess with. Watch this. Y'all want to mess with him? You want to mess with the Mustang? So, that's nice little. Oh, he jumped out in the hammer lane. We cannot be racing in Georgia. We can only race in Mexico, not Georgia. Here he comes, a little crowd surfer. We call those crowd surfers, a little 5.0. I think we could take it, but we cannot race this brand new Camaro. Not yet. We can toy with it, but we can't do a full-fledged race yet. Give me a month there, buddy. We'll come and get you. All right, see ya. Okay, we changed drivers. See what this thing looks like going down the road. Get some rolling footage. Get to see my own car going down the road would be pretty cool. Oh yeah, you can hear it. I can hear it back here, so Joe said it sounded pretty good. And oh yeah, I heard it crackle. I don't think you guys will be able to hear it on this microphone, but that thing pops and crackles. Jeez. Yeah, if we roll the window down, we get too much wind noise, you know. So I gotta stick in a little minivan over here. I'll tell you what, I have to get out of that Camaro, get in this Dodge. This Dodge feels tall and loose, you know. I need him on the driver's side, but it's a good looking car, you know. We'll get up here and let him pass this in a minute. I don't think. Hold on one second. Let's see if the iPhone can pick up the audio. Cruising and making idiotic ramblings. I am kicking my nephew's butt in a game of pool. Come on. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen.